Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 15th of February, 2023. Let's talk about Nvidia today because there could possibly be an imminent move coming in the market for Nvidia. I wanted to talk to y'all about it because I did a video for this stock on February the 11th. Okay, so it was 4 days ago. And I've been looking at the market price action in Nvidia, and this stock is still relatively bullish. So rather than you all seeing what's in front of you, me expecting price to go down, I pay attention to both sides of the markets. I'm unbiased as to how price is going to go or where price is going to go. I simply pay attention to the information, and the information that is before us is telling me that Nvidia is still relatively bullish. So we're going to continue to look forward to price going up. So the first thing we want to do is, since we recognize that price is not bearish, price is not going down, we need to cut this last price prediction out the way and join the team. We need to join the winning team. So the first thing we're going to do is cut this out the way. So if we were to get out the price, if we were to get out the last trade of yesterday, you guys can see it came to our resistance area of $230. We will be down 7.67%, okay, or 7.8%. We need to get out the way, because if we don't, then that loss of 7.8% is going to increase. And we're not about that life. If the market is going against us, we need to cut it as soon as possible and recoup those losses and also gain at the same time. So let's go ahead and cut this out the way. Now, I think the next resistance area in the market in Nvidia outside of 230 is going to be 240. We're going to look for price in Nvidia to try to run to 240 now because of the bullishness that occurred into the market yesterday in Nvidia. Okay. Now, my only concern is this earnings that is due to be released on the 22nd of February. So it's a couple of days away for Nvidia. But nevertheless, we all can tell how strong this stock is. This is a very bullish stock right now. It is trending higher, and every opportunity it comes to a resistance area, it breaks through it. So our first price target is going to be around 240. Now, I wanted to show you a longer term view into the market in Nvidia. Okay, so this is the last completed 5-weekly price bar. So if you were to consider this spread over the last 5 weeks, okay, so that is a spread of like 57% run. If you were to take another 80% move higher or 80-point move higher for Nvidia, that would take the market all the way up here to 290. You see that, right? If we were to take this range, this spread from the prior 5 weeks, that we can see market run to 290. That's a very strong market over the last 5 weeks. Okay. So right here on the last, in the next 2 days and 11 hours, right? You guys can see on this weekly price bar right here, I want to see the market in this way. Now I have to give the market opportunity. There's no guarantee that what we look at right now is going to be the conclusion in the next 2 days and 11 hours. But let's say that it concludes this way in the market Nvidia. I'm definitely looking for the price to continue to trend up. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw these lines because these are going to be the levels that I'm going to look for price in Nvidia to go. Okay. Now that 290, it may take the market a while. We may not even see it run to 290. So I'm going to bring it down here to 270. These are the 3 levels right now that we need to be paying attention to into the market Nvidia. For real. The trend hasn't been broken. Even on days and weeks that we've seen selling, the market continues to be bullish. The market continues to buy whoever is selling at these levels. So they got an agenda. They're trying to move this market in Nvidia. So I want us to come through and participate with the market. Okay. So now here it is on the 5-day chart. Last 5 days, there were some sellers, but the market achieved and had took them out the way. We closed the market over the last 5 days at the high of the bar. That is another indication of market being bullish. Here it is on the 3-day. You guys can see the same thing. So we're still bullish into the market. Nvidia is just that simple. So now let me do this. We're going to go ahead and predict that the market action in Nvidia is going to go up. Okay. Now we got our support area for Nvidia. We're going to do it right around here. Okay, so as long as the market price action in Nvidia holds $208, give or take, we're going to expect the market to trend up. Now it doesn't mean that we won't see no gyrations of price consolidating and going sideways. We can definitely still see that. But that first price target, you guys can see it, it's $240, or right there is $239. So it's just a broad area. 4.41%. My second target is up there around 250, 255. Okay, and that is 11.15%, 255. And then my third one, it's going to be all the way up here towards like 270, which is around 18% move higher in Nvidia. Okay, so clean this up. That was just a visual depiction as to where we're looking for the market to run in Nvidia, and this is what we're looking at now. Okay, so I'm going to hold that prior one there. Okay, so I'm gonna cut these two out the way, and I want us to see if the market is going to continue to break the closest area of resistance, which currently to me is around 240. Okay, so I'm done. Everyone give me your thoughts. We're just going to simply kick back, let the market work and trade, and if we get any more indication that the price is getting weaker, then again it'll tell us, and we'll know that we're on the wrong side of the trade, and we may need to be a little bit more bearish than being bullish as of right now. But give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.